If you're over 30 and your savings are under 10k, well, you're not alone. But the scary part is you're on a timer. Life certainly gets more expensive, not less. And if your salary hasn't grown with inflation, you're already falling behind. But stick around and I'll show you how to flip that reality by learning a high income skill that can change everything, even if you don't have a degree. The numbers don't lie. Here's the harsh truth. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans aged between 30 and 44 have less than $10,000 in savings. Inflation has crushed buying power. $10,000 in 2010 had the same purchasing power as over $14,000 today. A 2023 study from Harvard Business Review found that income growth for working class professionals had stagnated for over a decade, which is wild. While housing, education, and food prices have surged. Median rent in the US is now over $2,000 per month in many cities. That's $24,000 per year, just on rent. So if you're stuck in the just getting by cycle, it's not your fault. But staying there, that part is your responsibility. And it's your choice. So what now? Well, you have two choices. You either keep grinding in your current situation, hoping for a raise, maybe a promotion even someday, or learn a high income skill and take control of your income. Now, high income doesn't mean you become a doctor, a lawyer, or architect, or anything like that. In 2025, one of the most accessible high income skills is front-end development, and I'll explain. Companies everywhere need websites and apps. You don't need a computer science degree, you just need to build a portfolio that shows off some of the websites you've created already. You can even get started while working another job. And once you get good, you can freelance, go contract, or just go full-time and get a job. Whatever works for you. But why front-end development? Well, front-end development is what powers everything now. Everything from landing pages, brochure websites to billion-dollar apps. According to Glassdoor in 2025, the average junior front-end developer salary for an entry level is $70,000. And freelancers with 1 to 2 years experience regularly charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour. And in particular, contracting through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, you can bring in another $2,000 to $5,000 a month, which could replace an extra job, or it could replace all your jobs and you could just work remotely doing that. And you don't have to go for job interviews, you don't have to prep leak code and do all that other stuff, all completely on your own schedule. And the kicker? You can learn absolutely for free. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are the 3 key things that you need to learn. There are no gatekeepers at all. Just time, consistency, and building real projects. Now, even if you don't want to go into tech full time, just adding basic front-end skills to your skill set gives you so much leverage. You could build websites for local businesses for $500 to $2,000 per site. And I've seen some of our students doing that. You could run landing pages for coaches, e-commerce brands, or even content creators, whatever you want. Or you can even use it to boost your existing career in, let's say, marketing, design, content creation. I mean, all businesses need someone who knows how to code or make a website or do front-end development. And you don't have to become a senior engineer. You just need to learn enough to solve problems and charge for it. So personally, I don't think you're late. I think you're just getting started. And learning a high income skill is super important in this day and age. But the longer you wait to upskill, the more you're gambling on a system that is genuinely stacked against you. So ask yourself, am I over 30? Have I got under 10k saved in the bank? What am I gonna do? You already know the answer. Start learning, start building, because money is freedom.